Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit Excel file in Google Drive. So here I've already on my Google Drive and I have the Excel file in here. So there is this Excel file and I want to edit it on Google Drive. So what you can do is you can just double click on the file, or you can also right click on the file, and here go to open with and click on Google Sheets. Okay, so the file will be open in Google Sheets, but it's still an Excel file. So you can see there is this extension .xlsx. So this is Excel file, and if you want to edit it, you can just open the file first, and then here after opening the file you can just do some edit. For example, you want to add some row, or you can also want to add some tags in here, so you can do everything. But if you want to save it as Google Sheets, you can just click on the file and then click on save as Google Sheets, so that the Excel file will be changed into Google Sheets file. Okay, so that's basically how you can edit Excel file in Google Drive. So easy. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.